Have you ever wondered what happens when you mix nail colors together? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to mix gel polish and create brand new custom nail shades that you can't buy in stores. And stay until the end, because the last mix is my absolute favorite. Let's mix. A little pro tip, always add dark colors slowly, because they take over very fast. And always mix on a palette, not directly in the bottle. If you like nail tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Now, let's try a totally different combination. This one surprised me. Now, you know how to mix nail colors and create your own custom shades. Pistachio green is definitely my favorite. Which one did you like the most? If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more nail tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.